Hello and welcome to another Insights. We're going to go through a quick market update and see what's going on in the market so far in the past few days, week or so, and take it from there. Um, obviously, I'm a little behind again. It's trying to stay ahead of things and caught up is difficult. Lots of stuff going on. I hate to make it sound like I'm making excuses. It's tough to keep everything together, and keep it going. Anyway, that is part of the reason that this one kind of hit me. Stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. And I have fallen short on the make it happen part, but I am staying positive and I am working hard. Trying to make it happen, trying to make it happen timely. That is, I make it happen usually most of the time. It's just a matter of getting it at a timely is the challenge for me. Um, anyway, with that, let's get over to the TDT, get to economic events. Thought I was there. See what's happening, and quite frankly, I'm kind of tempted to start getting away from this because it's getting so overwhelming. There's just too much stuff going non-farm payrolls, participation, unemployment rate. Going out on Friday, that hasn't really affected anything because there hasn't been a dramatic change. Of course, I did just see a thing on CNBC today, which I almost never watch CNBC, but it happened to be on at a place I was at, and so I watched it for a few minutes. And there was an announcement that Boeing was cutting 4,000 jobs. Um, so, what does that mean? It could mean nothing. I mean, Boeing is very cyclical, at least it has been, and they have been known throughout the years, for the past 15, 20 years at least that I've known. Being in the Seattle area, they are here. A big part of their company is here, I should say. Some of it left because of the great politicians here. But it's fairly common with Boeing that they will do a layoff. They'll announce a bunch of layoffs and all this other stuff, and then before they actually get their real pink slips, they decide not to lay them off. So that is kind of the way it goes at Boeing. It sounds like, but I'm not sure what it is. I didn't watch it long enough to see exactly what the details were. But if that's indicative of the economy, which I don't think it would be overall, then but defense spending has not been spectacular. Under Obama, he has not been much for military support. So that may be part of it. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but that's 4,000 people that are going to be without a job. So at least for the time being. So we'll see. Not sure what that means overall. Big picture, it's just one at this point. So we'll see what happens. ISM Michigan sentiment. A lot of this is just stuff. PPI, of course, that's way out to next week. So nothing much there really. So not much going on. So we'll look at the overall market real quick, and this will be a very short one, but a little bit of a shooting star there today. We don't have the final volume yet. Actually, it should update here any minute. Give us an end of the day update. It'll probably start here in just a second, but we got most of it, and it's still kind of weird. We had a bullish day yesterday, up pretty solid, but then we got today, and it's really hard. I'm still, even though this thing continues to rally, excuse me, I'm still having a hard time buying into it. And, I kind of kick myself in some ways because I could be on bullish trades making some money, but at the same time, things could change any day and it could be down 50, 60, 70 points. So who knows? It is just very difficult for me to pull the trigger on a bullish trade, seeing, even though the price is going higher, the volume dropping as quickly as it is. So I'm still a little skittish about the overall market. It's basically the same as it's been for the last 2, 3, 4 weeks. So Nasdaq same, we got a little more of a doji there. Industrials looks the same. Transport's a little more of a doji. Russell, wow. Oh, that's not end of day. That's yesterday. We should be getting an update here any minute. So take a look at the VIX. It's down in that 13 range. So who knows? Maybe this rally will sustain itself. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. There it is. So we'll get that, but that'll be done. We'll be finished before it's actually done here. So we'll leave that be. So, but yeah, the VIX VIX doesn't really tell us anything right now anyway. So no big deal. So that's probably about it. I mean, pretty quick, pretty short, sweet and simple. Not it's kind of, well, we're kind of coming into we're not in summer yet, but we'll probably be in the summer doldrums here pretty soon. And summer's usually kind of moot anyway because people take vacations and it's not as active as normal. So, but who knows? It's always 50-50. So with that, I am going to sign off and see if we can get the big guys done before I need to leave. Y'all take care. Have a good night. Bye-bye.